a new camera lens today, and it's been something I've been wanting for a little bit. So I headed to my favorite store, which just happens to be Viztech, and I purchased the new Nikon Z 24-70 version 2. So we are going to do the unboxing, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. It's so late tonight that I won't be able to do a video on this, but come back tomorrow and I will share about it. So we're going to jump into the unboxing of the video. This isn't sponsored. I bought it with my own money. It's my own opinion, just for the record. So we have a lens hood. Okay. Interesting enough, there is tape on this, and I don't know why. Interesting. So it was holding this. I don't know what it does. We'll find out though. Comes with a Nikon bag, your paperwork, I'm so excited. And then the lens. I'm going to find out what that little slot does, and I will let you guys know. Ready? The whole unveiling. Da-da-da-da. Oh my goodness. So excited. Okay. So the diameter is a 77mm. So if you are in need of a filter, all of mine have a filter because I feel like it needs it. That's just a personal opinion. It's totally up to you. Zoom is not bad. It's kind of stiff, like it's not as loose as my other one. You have your auto manual, you have your full and limit, and then you have the click on or off. So interesting. And then you have your LFN button. You have another one up here. I'm super excited. Yes. It's a version 2. So if you are familiar with version 1, when you zoom, right, the barrel piece would extend out when you're zooming out to 70, but this is all internal. So I love it. That's a super, I really wonder what that's for. I'm going to find out. Just give me a second here. Oh, okay. So, why is it so stiff? So this little door here, the sliding slot on the lens hood, HB117 of the Nikon Z 24-70 F2.8 S version 2, that's this one, is Designed to allow photographers to easily access and adjust filters such as circular polarizers or variable neutral density filters without needing to remove the lens hood. I don't use a variable filter, so I mean, cool. Me personally, I don't see the reason for it, but some might. I guess it's kind of user discretion on that, but that is what that's for. There is a button on here to release the lens hood, so just make sure you click that whenever you go to release your lens hood from the body so you're not wrecking it. Clicks on when it's ready, and I cannot wait to take it shooting. I'm going to take you guys with me, so let's head out shooting probably tomorrow. And yeah, can't wait. Come with me. See you guys later.